Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Automation is incredible for speed, but without a record of what was created, you can quickly lose track of your files. Was the invoice sent? Where is the signed contract? Did the generation succeed? In business, you don't just need automation, you need an audit trail. Let's see how Smart Form Publisher turns your Google Sheet into a centralized command center. Smart Form Publisher doesn't just create files, it logs them. For every form submission, the add-on records essential metadata directly back into your response sheet, creating a real-time digital audit trail. Look at your response sheet. You'll find dedicated columns that show you exactly when a document was created and provide a direct link to the file in Google Drive. No more digging through folders. If you need to find a specific client's contract, just find their row in the sheet and click the link. It's that simple. This log also acts as your safety net. If an email bounces or a generation fails, the statuses column will tell you exactly what went wrong. This allows you to monitor your entire workflow at a glance and ensure that no respondent is left behind. Whether it's tax season, a school inspection, or a corporate audit, you have a permanent searchable record of every document ever issued by your organization. It's professional, it's secure, and it's completely automatic. Master your records and sleep easy knowing your data is organized. Install Smart Form Publisher today. Visit gwaddons.com to explore more ways to simplify your workday.